Hello guys again. Today we have a new unboxing. This is the Powerfix Profi from Powerfix Profi angle grinder stand. Adjustable restraints with protective buffers with a rubber slide pivot mechanism and sturdy cast iron base plate. Integrated spark protection for improved safety. Lever with tension spring. And let's see what we have inside. Okay, many screws here, nothing else. Plastic. Okay, this is the base. Some instructions if you want to read it. You need to open it. Inside we have an Allen. It will help us take off this. Tight enough. I'm going to mount it like that. Okay, after facing it will look like that. Here we have some rubber. No slippery in your work table. Well, let's do the other. Now we need that plastic. That's for the handlebar. We are here. Then we got those two. It will go just here. The other one. Some time to assemble this. Nice. Well, we got that. Helps you for safety. Oh, you can see what it fits better for you. The smaller one, the middle one, and the bigger one. I will install the middle one, and we will see when I will try it with my angle grinder. There it goes, something like that. Okay. Okay. Nice. And how it goes that? Well, this will screw here and this here. Just like that. And tight it on the other side. And we need to do the same thing here. Okay, that's nice. Then we need to put that inside. You can manage to do just like that, and it will go straight where you want to cut it. You need to tie those two. And from the other side, going to tight, and those two. Tight all the screws. Very nice, good. Same here. Okay, and here it is how it looks. This is the final installation. I'll show you a closer look to see where the screws are going. Here it is. This is the screws that you must tight very well. The other is this, that is, they are hold the angle grinder, one this and the other down there. This is where we are going to put our metal to cut it, and it will go just like that, and it will cut it with this grip. It doesn't mean that you will need all the accessories inside all the screws. If you can manage to put it like that and it is suitable for you, that is very, very nice, with no problemo. And again, this is the screw in the base that I made the first time. I think it's good.